Alright, we have another beautiful model and we're gonna do a dry cut for her. Stay tuned with a nice dry cut with X Tai Chi and shark texturizing scissors. Alright, so finally we're done with our dry cut with our beautiful model. We did all dry, so she had a hair extension. So when you have an extension, it's very important. You have to do a dry cut because on the wet hair, you cannot create a really nice job. So you have to wash the hair, condition her, then dry it, then cut it. And this is gonna be beautiful. So it's really hard not to notice she has a hair extension. But unfortunately, before when she coming from the distance, I could say she had a hair extension. So she's so lucky today because she was my model. If she came to California and come to my salon, it's gonna cost at least $1,000 because that's a very hard job to do a dry cut with that kind of extension, which is, we call it a spaghetti extension. I never do the spaghetti extension because it looks always unnatural. So now
من به تو فکر میکنم هر روز هفته را از تو خواهش میکنم از پیش من نرو دلم همش واسه تو داره هی چنگ میزنه این صدای قلبمه که داره آهنگ میزنه